Alright guys, welcome for another video from TDL DIY. So today we're going to be looking at replacing this mirror cover because it has a big hole in it. And happened from the highway, a rock, stuff like that happens. So here we have the replacement one. Color might be a little bit off, but I think it's the same color. We're going to replace that one. It's my first time taking this off. So yeah, I'll bring you guys in. Let's get this done. So we got a couple plastic things. So we're gonna, it's already been kind of popped, I think, a little bit. We can get our screwdriver in here, kind of give it a yank. There we go. I'm gonna pull along the top. Jeez. Well, that's it. So inside, we'll take it up a little bit closer. So you can see there's quite a big hole in there, right through. This one's painted inside and out. This new one we got off Amazon. I can't remember where exactly, maybe over in China or something, I don't know, but actually, is it the same numbers? No. But anywho, it's the right mirror. We should just be able to clip it on. So one thing I will say, there's a bit of a lip right here. So we got to tuck that under the black. I think it would just pop in, but oh. Not fully in yet. There we go. There we go. Just pops in, you just gotta kind of finesse it a little bit, I guess. There we go. Alright guys, so you just saw us replace that. It wasn't too bad. Maybe just, honestly, a couple minutes. Probably within under 5 minutes you can probably get this job completely done. Got the old one off that has a hole in it, new one's on, looks great. And yeah, so if you like this kind of stuff, guys, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget, never stop learning.
Yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night? Yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah,